Back problem is a very common issue along with every female, especially after the childbirth. But it's easy to overcome this issue without any surgery. Namaskar, welcome to Sumi Kaya Kalpam. Today I'm going to share with you few easy asanas, 5 asanas that will help you to deal with the back pain, that may be upper back, lower back or middle back. So you need to practice it regularly without any delay, and you need to follow a light vegetarian diet until you will overcome these issues. So the first practice is Marjory Asana. For that, sit in Vajrasana over the mat, then stand with your knees, then place your palms just in front of the knees with one hand distance. Maintain the distance between the two knees as the width of the hip, palms just below the arms, shoulders, body parallel. This is the best position. Here you inhale and arch your back towards the ground. Look up as much as you can. With inhalation, look up. And this is final position. Hold this position with normal breath for 5 seconds, at least for 5 seconds or as much as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then exhale. Arch your back towards the roof and try to touch your chin to the chest. Hold this position for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again inhale, arch your back towards the floor, look up, chin up. Hold this position for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, arch your back towards the roof, chin to the chest. Hold the position for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Likewise, you have to practice this Marjory Asana at least for 5 rounds. If you wish, you can go for 10 rounds. Then the next posture is Bhujanga Asana. For that, lie flat on the ground with your abdomen, both the feet together, shoulder touch to the ground. Then gently place your palms beside the chest. This is the base position. Here you inhale and lift up your upper body from the abdomen, from the navel. With inhalation, slowly move up and bend backward as much as you can. Look up and back. Hold this position with normal breath as much as you can, or at least for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, down and relax your body. One more round. Before going to the next round, make sure that your breath become normal. Again inhale and raise your body up from the navel. Below the navel body, the pelvis should touch to the ground. You can keep your elbow straight, but make sure your lower body from the navel should touch to the ground, or else you can keep the elbow half fold. Look up with normal breath. Hold this position at least for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, down, relax. Practice this Bhujanga Asana at least for 5 rounds. It is very effective for low back pain. Then one easiest asana, that is Makarasana. Same posture. Then place your both palm together, elbow together, just below the chin, feet together, shoulder touching to the ground, just below the chin, elbows together, and rest your chin in between the palms. Close your eyes and relax. Observe your breath. You can extend this posture as much as you can, or at least for 5 minutes. And your both elbow act like remote control, and you can feel a gentle massage at the lower back when your both elbows just below the knees. If you will bring both the elbows little bit forward, you will feel a massage at the upper back. And if you are moving your both elbow little bit back, then you will feel a massage at the middle back. So this is a very simple posture that will help to give a very good massage at your lower, middle and upper back. You can practice as much as you can. Makarasana. Then the next posture is Dhanurasana. Same best position, lie flat with your abdomen. Then gently fold your knees with inhalation. Hold your ankles with exhalation. Then with inhalation, touch your whole body and balance your whole body with the abdomen and stretch your legs outside by holding your ankles tightly, just like a bow. Hold this position. Look up with normal breath. Hold this position as much as you can, or can hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale down. Release your legs. Before going to the next round, make sure your breath become normal. Again, inhale, fold your knees, exhale, hold your ankles. Inhale, raise your body and touch your whole body just like a bow, and balance your whole body with the abdomen. Hold this position as much as you can in normal breath for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale down. Relax. So practice this Dhanurasana for 5 rounds at least. Every day you need to practice it minimum 5 rounds. This posture will help to reduce or overcome your back pain. Simultaneously, it is very effective to reduce the belly fat that is very common after the delivery. Next, 2 easy postures, that is Bhu Namanasana. Sit with your legs outstretched, palms on the knees. This is the best position. Here you inhale, then exhale, twist your body to the right and place both palms just beside the right buttock. Then with exhalation, move down and try to touch your nose to the floor. This is the final position. Hold this position in normal breath as much as you can, or at least for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, your knees and legs should be straight. If you are unable to touch to the floor, no issues. You can keep this way, or you can use a pillow here. Then inhale up, exhale middle. Practice the same in other side. Here you inhale, then exhale, twist your body to the left. With exhalation, move down and try to touch your nose to the floor. This is the final position. Hold this position for 5 seconds at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or as much as you can. Inhale up, exhale middle. So this is all about the 5 posture that will help you to deal with your back pain, especially after delivery, and also help to reduce the belly bottom fat. And I'm sure it is very much effective for you. So do not hesitate to subscribe my channel. Keep on watching my videos, like it, share it, and don't forget to post your comments and suggestions. Take care of your health. Keep smiling. Namaskar. See you.